In this video, I'll show you how to record a Zoom meeting with audio. First, open the Zoom app on your computer and start your meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar and click on the Record button. You will then be asked to choose where you want to save the recording. Select Record on this computer to save it locally to your device. If you're a paid subscriber, you can also choose Record to the Cloud to save it online. Before you start recording, make sure you have joined the audio. If you see a Join Audio button at the bottom of the screen, click on it first. This ensures that the audio is properly captured in your recording. Once recording starts, you will see a small indicator in the top left corner of the screen showing that the meeting is being recorded. Your video and audio will both be captured automatically. When you are ready to stop, click the Stop Recording button at the bottom of the screen. You can also just end the meeting, and Zoom will stop the recording automatically. After the meeting ends, Zoom will process and convert the recording. It will then open the folder on your computer where the file has been saved. You will find both a video file and a separate audio-only file in that folder. That is how you do it.